Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well. Welcome on this new video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. This video we are going to analyze the market to know our best chances, what are the best setups we can wait for in this coming week, 1st of April until Friday, 5th of April. So in this video, I'm going to analyze the charts. Not all of them, of course. I will check only the major pairs, and I will share with you what are the sell and buy setups we can wait for. Meanwhile, I would like to share with you the result of the copier. This is what I have been trading, and it was being reflected to one of the volunteers who agreed to test the copier. Unfortunately, I was not able to get the results from him, but I wanted to share with you the results here. It's actually quite promising, and this week I'm actually going to bring another 5 people to join the copier. I want to increase the number slowly, so no pressure on me. I just want to feel relaxed and calm while we are doing this copy service because I hope it will help everyone to change their life to the better and to help those who are afraid to trade their account by themselves. Hopefully, we can use our knowledge to help everyone out. So, just wanted to share with you guys these results so far. So, meanwhile, let's go now and check what are our chances we can wait for in this week. First of all, GBP. I don't want to say GBP NZD or GBP AUD or GBP USD because the whole GBP pair is actually not stable this week due the actually especially GBP NZD was not quite stable due so many news about the Brexit deal being rejected in the parliament, and also we had the terrorism act in New Zealand happened a few weeks ago in the mosque, and there is a lot of sad things happened. So actually GBP NZD among others is the one unstable, so we need to be quite extra careful when we trading the GBP and ZD. We can notice something here. No matter what happened to the GBP and ZD, it was not able to break this resistance, neither to break the support level here. So what does that mean? That means you have to be extra careful and pay extra attention when you are trading the GBP and ZD or GBP pairs in total, because we need to pay attention to the news. I have just seen in the news that Theresa May is planning to make a fourth vote for the Brexit deal after being rejected for 3 times. So again, you have to keep your eyes on the news. Don't trade the GBP pairs based on support and resistance. It's not following any of the forex rules at the meantime. It's just following the news. So again, my advice for you is being extra caution. If you must trade the GBP, you have to be careful and use very small lots. Remember that you can easily lose your money when you're trading, and also you can easily gain a lot. So we have to be careful. Going to the AUD USD. AUD USD, if we check it out, remember I'm on the 4-hour chart. So checking daily chart, we can see there is a down momentum on the AUD USD. We can see there is this downtrend, and the GBP, and the AUD USD did not break this level of the trend line. However, if we look at the weekly chart, we can easily see AUD USD is bouncing at this support level here. This support is here since June and September 2015. So we are talking about almost 4 years. This support was here, and look what happened. October 2018, AUD USD tried to break this support level, and we can see here a very long wick. This very long wick here indicating a strong rejection on breaking this support level. So the pair has showed a strong reaction and bounced up quite strongly, meaning we are looking now on a very strong bullish momentum. If I can draw another support line here like that. And remember, I'm on the on the weekly chart. If I go to the daily, we can notice something, that the AUD USD is actually trapped inside this trend line. This trend line here, AUD USD is actually trapped in it. It did not break through this level yet, But in my opinion, what we are looking for, and remember again, I'm on the daily chart. I'm expecting that AUD USD will resume falling up here. It might go back again until this level of support. Sorry. And then it will actually break out from this trend line. In my opinion, it will break this level because we can see here a very strong support, and the pair tried here to go through to break this level of the support. And look at this long wick here showing the strong rejection. Actually, it was about 236 pip long, this wick here. Even this was a news, this week was result of a high impact news, even though the candle was not able to break this level here, and that's why it's telling us that this level is very strong. So this again, this support level here, I'm expecting it to be respected again. So we can look for buy option here on 0.70468 for the AUD USD. I believe it will actually bounce here, and if we are going to place the buy option, I believe it will continue going up until hitting this resistance level here. So this is our target. If the AUD USD will bounce here at this level of the support, we need to wait some price action indicating that this price is actually reversing. Look here, for example, this is, do you know this candles, guys? Do you recognize this candle? Let me zoom in. Those who are watching my videos, they should know very well this red candle here is my favorite one, which indicating that the market is actually going to reverse from bullish momentum, sorry, from bearish momentum to be now a bullish momentum. And again, we see this candle here. That's why I'm expecting this market is going up now. So again, we can wait for the buy option here and then place our buy and keep the position until hitting the level of 0.72844. So that would give us approximately 236 pips. Again, this is just analysis. If there was no news hitting the market, we can actually look for it. Going to the AUD USD, sorry, to the Euro USD. Euro USD, however, if we look at the weekly chart, we can see it actually breaking, or so actually it's now right now bouncing on this strong support level here. But however, we have another support here. So there is a possibility, and also we can see here a strong price action indicating that the market is actually falling more down. So we need to pay more attention to the Euro USD because there is a possibility that it will break this level. We can see we have here a support number 1, and we can see here the support number 2. It reversed already, and it gave us, remember I'm on the weekly, guys, again. So this reversal here has gave us approximately 228. Please pay attention if you follow hit and run rules. If you follow hit and run rules, guys, if you remember what I said many times, this is the right way to draw your line in a way touching all of the wicks here, especially the shortest wick, which is this one here. So the line was touching all of the wicks, and following what I have said, we can see that the reversal happened exactly on the same level. The candle reached this level exactly and reversed. And if you again want to apply hit and run rules, if you enter here, you should exit at the next nearest resistance, which was here. So entering here and exiting here at the nearest resistance would have guaranteed for you 230 pips of profit. However, AUD USD, sorry, Euro USD seems to be falling more. We can see this trend line here. Most likely, I believe, from seeing this price action, the Euro USD will continue falling until bouncing on this support level here, like that. Still, now some people will say, shall we sell Euro USD? Not so good idea, Because remember again, I'm on the weekly chart. Going to the daily, we can see this is not actually the level where you want to start selling Euro USD. We can wait for the Euro USD to come up actually until this level here. Until this level, yes, I'm satisfied with that. We can sell Euro USD if it reach up now with the pullback until 1.13268. So what I believe is Euro USD will go up here almost 100 pips. 100 pips, right? Yeah, 124 pips, and then it will go and fall down, in my opinion. That is what's gonna happen. So we have to wait and see what will gonna happen. Now, USD CAD. For the USD CAD, now of course if the Euro USD is going to fall, so USD CAD is of course going to rise. So I think we can look for buy option here for the USD CAD. I believe we can, let me tell you exactly where you should sell here. Yes, buy actually. We can place buy for the USD CAD on 1.3250 and expecting profits until the next nearest resistance, expecting about 200 pips. So we can look for buy option at 1.3250 and our exit trade will be on 1.34499. Going to the USD JPY, same story of course. Most likely USD is going to rise, so USD JPY is as well going to rise. So if we draw this line this way, we can see this was a strong support here, and it was as well a strong resistance, and here also a strong support. So this level is being respected so many times and quite strongly. Most likely USD JPY now is on this resistance. It might actually bounce back, and then on 110.368 we can actually place buy order and expect the profits at the next nearest resistance. However, if and only if there was some news about the gold that might affect the dollar price, well, then whatever I'm saying here might not be reflected on the market. We should do actually the opposite. We have to wait to see any news regarding the gold. Now I heard Russia is actually hold on, let me check the news. Hold on one more time. 1 second, I will pause the video. Yeah, indeed. If we look at the news, we can see that Russia is dumping US dollars to hoard gold. Now, this actually might bring the gold prices up, but the prices of the gold going up, meaning the USD will actually fall down. So the USD actually, in this case, cannot rise going up. So again, we have to wait. You need to understand the difference between technical analysis and following the news. Even if your technical analysis is correct, it's not enough. You always have to pay attention to the news. So what we can look for, if this will affect the gold's prices, then it's different because USD will actually start falling down. So we can actually look for another sell order on 111.131. Again, that is only in case the news of from Russia will affect the prices of the gold, and in effect it will affect also in a result it will affect also the USD prices. So again, we have to wait. If the USD will actually start falling down, don't start selling immediately. Wait for it to go up to 111.131 and then you can sell, because actually on the left we can as well see this was a very strong resistance level. USD CHF. So again, USD CHF might be affected with the gold prices. So let's analyze what will gonna happen. What are the options we are looking for? If the USD will go down, actually this is not really the best place to buy, because this is against my strategy, because we have also already support number 1 and a support number 2. So I believe we can look for on the left, we can see here a strong resistance level. Here we have a strong resistance and here as well, and even here. Right now, the USD CHF is on this resistance level. So what should we do? We should actually, in my opinion, the USD CHF will continue going up until this level here. Let me just draw the line correctly. It's already on it, to be honest. This is the level, yeah. It's already on it. So I think the reversal has already happened and it's too late to sell the USD CHF, but in my opinion, the USD CHF will actually fall down until hitting this level of the support right here, right here, right on 0.98617, and then from this level we can actually buy. And again, that is only buying USD only if the gold prices did not how can I say that, if we didn't see it impacting the USD a lot. So again, this is a good level to buy the USD CHF on 0.98617. 98617, yeah. Going to AUD CAD, I'm glad we finished with the USD because it's really not easy to analyze it, even the GBP as well. So going to the AUD CAD, let's go to the 4-hour chart. So for AUD CAD, what are our chances here? If we want to draw the support and resistance lines, we can see that this is actually a good level to place buy for the AUD CAD. Most likely it will come here from this level because we see this resistance trend line has been breaking out. So the AUD USD AUD CAD has actually, let me just, okay, this make it easier maybe. Yeah. So AUD CAD was on a downtrend and finally broke out from the level. So it's expected to retest this trend line and then actually on this support level here, exactly on this support, is going to retest the level and will reverse. Most likely it will reverse because we here have also a trend line. It's going on upper momentum, bullish momentum of course, so it will reverse and shoot up here. So I believe, hold on, I believe that AUD CAD will be good to buy on 0.94451, and if we enter with the buy option, we can look for taking profits right on 0.94813. That should give us about 38 pips of profit if this is going to happen, and most likely this is what's going to happen. AUD CAD is actually falling down. AUD CHF as well. AUD CHF is actually falling a little bit more down as well. We can see here there is a strong support level. Remember guys, I'm on the daily chart. Keep this in mind. So I think AUD CHF actually also is on a downtrend. So there is a possibility that this level will actually continue to fall more down. I would not recommend to start selling AUD CHF. I would recommend to wait more time until the pair will be more clear. But if it go more down, if the AUD CHF will fall down, then buying on 0.69828 will be ideal because it's following our rules completely. We had this strong support level, then we see this strong breakout, and we have the support number 1, and drawing the line like that, and it's matching the support here, we can tell buying on the support number 2 will be ideal. So if we place buy order here on 0.69828, we can exit the trade the nearest resistance, which is 0.70621, which should give us about 86 pips of profit. Let's go to the last pair. For the last pair, I would select actually Euro JPY. Euro JPY actually, in my opinion, is going to fall more down until this support level here. Now, why? Because we see here a trend line has been broken out. This trend line here has been broken out by this long bearish red candle, and we can see the retest has happened already. Maybe I need to zoom in. Hold on. Yeah. So we see this trend line here, and the breakout happened, and the retest is happening. Now, should you start selling Euro JPY? Not so good idea, because you don't want to sell in the middle. You want to sell high and buy low. So you have to actually wait for the candle to come up again before you start selling. In my opinion, if we want to look for sell order, let me tell you. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. To be honest, it's almost already happening. So we cannot really enter in the right time here unless the candles will go up here. If the candles go up again to 124.720, then it might be a good idea to start sell the Euro JPY, and then we can look for a sweet profit actually of, wow, that will be good, almost 200 pips. Now, of course, you don't want to hold that position for a long time, so I would advise, if you want to be safe, to place sell here on 124.720 and exit your trade at 124.169. So it will give you about 53 pips of profit. So guys, that was it. We can look for the market, what will be gonna happen. I hope what I said here will help you in your trades, and I hope the market will be loyal to us, and we are going to have some good profits this week. Actually, the market looks so promising, and I like it quite a lot. Again, be careful, please. Use small lot sizes. Remember, we analyzed our charts based on daily chart and weekly chart, not 1 hour, not 30 minutes. So you have to be extra cautious and careful when you trade following these signals. Until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.